Jai Hind everyone. Under Static GK playlist, today we are covering one more topic, that is mountain passes of India. So in this video, we'll go through the state-wise or union territory-wise so that it will be easier to remember all the passes in India. So let's get started. First of all, what is a mountain pass? A mountain pass is basically a navigable road through a mountain range to cross them. So in India, we know that the northern part of the country is almost covered with Himalayas, and also the Western Ghats of the country. These are the mountain ranges which is difficult to cross through. And across these Himalayas, we have certain passes that allow us to move from the front end to the back end or through the places, etc. So, in this video, we are covering some of the important mountain passes that are important for the examination also. First, we'll start with Ladakh. So, Ladakh is an union territory, currently a union territory, and there are so many passes that had to be covered in Ladakh. The first one is Changla. What is the first pass? That is Changla. In these areas, La means pass. So we don't need to pronounce again pass. Changla means Chang pass. So that is why La is added to some of the mountain passes. The first one is Changla. Where is it located? It is located in Ladakh. And the next one is Pensila. What is the next pass? It is Pensila. So this Pensila is also called as gateway to Janskar region. So if you know, Janskar is a region and we also have Janskar mountains. This Pensila is called as Janskar gateway to Janskar region. The next one is Khardungla. Khardungla. Let me write here gateway to Janskar. The next one we have is Khardungla. Khardungla is as Pensila is gateway to Janskar, Khardungla is gateway to Shyok and Nubra valleys. So in Ladakh we have valleys called Nubra Valley and also Shyok. And this Khardungla is considered as gateway to these valleys, that is Nubra Valley and Shyok Valley. And the next one is Imisla. I-M-I-S, Imisla. The next one is Tanglongla. Tanglongla. The next one is Zojila. So this Zojila is in Janskar region. It connects Srinagar and Leh. So this Zojila connects Srinagar, which is in Jammu and Kashmir, and Leh, the capital of Ladakh. The capitals of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh are connected by which pass? They are connected by Zojila. So Zojila connects both Srinagar and Leh. The next one is Mintaka Pass. So Mintaka Pass, if you see the map here, sorry, this is Jammu and Kashmir and this is Ladakh. We have Mintaka Pass here. Okay, so this is Mintaka Pass, and then we have Parpik Pass somewhere around here, and then we have Aghil. After Parpik Pass, we have Aghil Pass, and the next one is Umlingla. Umlingla. It was few months ago. Umlingla was the highest motorable road on the earth. So Umlingla was the world's highest motorable road before we got something called Migla. So recently, BRO, Border Roads Organization, has inaugurated a road called Migla. It is currently the world's highest motorable road at an altitude of 19,400 feet. So what is the altitude of this road? It is almost 19,400 feet. And the second highest motorable road right now is Umlingla. And then we have Lanakla. It is in the Aksai Chin area. This Lanakla is in Aksai Chin area. The next one is Fotula. What is the last one? That is Fotula. In these passes, the important one that we need to remember is first one Zojila because it connects Srinagar and Leh. And then we have Migla, which is the highest motorable road at an altitude of 19,400 feet. And the second highest is Umlingla, and also the altitude is almost 19,300 feet. And the next one is Mintaka Pass. Why? Because it is the tri-junction of India, China, and Afghanistan border. So from here, Afghanistan starts. Here we have Pakistan. This is Afghanistan. Here we have China. And this is India. So Mintaka is the tri-junction of India, China, Afghanistan borders. And then we have Aghil Pass. Aghil Pass is there. And then Lanakla. Lanakla is in Aksai Chin disputed area. So these are the important passes of Ladakh. And then we'll go to, I am erasing all this. The next state is Jammu and Kashmir. In Jammu and Kashmir, we have the first one is Karakoram won't be coming here. I'm sorry. Karakoram will come in Ladakh. This is in Ladakh. Sorry, my mistake. The other three passes we need to cover in Jammu and Kashmir is the first one, Pir Panjal Pass. So Pir Panjal Pass, it is in the Himalayan region of Pir Panjal ranges. If we know the Pir Panjal Daulandar ranges, so it comes in that range. And then we have Banihal Pass. Here we had Jawahar Tunnel. We had Jawahar Tunnel. Now it is of no use and it is not in use. So in this Banihal Pass, we have Jawahar Tunnel. And the next one is Burjil Pass. Burjil Pass, this connects Gilgit and Srinagar. If you know, there are two areas that have been occupied by Pakistan, that is POK, Pakistan occupied Kashmir, and also we have Gilgit Baltistan. So this Burjil Pass connects both Gilgit and Srinagar. Let me draw the map and show you. We know that this is the area of Jammu and Kashmir, and this is Ladakh. But there is some area that has been occupied by Pakistan, and this is how it is. Like this. So this area is called POK. POK. And then here we have Gilgit and Baltistan. So this Burjil Pass, it connects somewhere here Srinagar to Gilgit, Baltistan. So this is the Burjil Pass. These are the three passes, and this Karakoram Pass comes in Ladakh region, not in Jammu and Kashmir. Sorry for the wrong information given in the picture. The next one is Himachal Pradesh. In Himachal Pradesh, we are covering 4 passes. Let's go through them. The first one is Bara-Lachala. So what is the first pass? It is Bara-Lachala. It connects this Bara-Lachala, it connects Himachal Pradesh to Ladakh region. So Bara-Lachala connects Himachal Pradesh and Ladakh region. Let me write HP and Ladakh. The next one is Rohtang Pass. So this Rohtang Pass, it is in the Pir Panjal range. Rohtang Pass is in Pir Panjal range, and it is the link between Kullu Valley, Lahore Valley and Spiti Valley. We have Kullu, if you know Kullu Manali. So Kullu is also a valley. And then we have Lahore. And also we have Spiti Valley. These valleys are linked by this Rohtang Pass. And then we have Shipkila. Shipkila. It is on the Indo-China border. The Shipkila Pass is on Indo-China border. And the last one is Depsa Pass. So this Depsa Pass acts as link between two valleys, that is Kullu and Spiti. Kullu and Spiti are linked by Depsa Pass, whereas Kullu, Lahore and Spiti are linked by Rohtang Pass. Shipkila is on Indo-China border, and Baralachala is it connects both Himachal Pradesh and Ladakh. These are the mountain passes in the state of Himachal Pradesh. The next state is Uttarakhand. So in Uttarakhand also we'll be covering a good number of mountain passes. The first one is Mana Pass. First one, Mana Pass. And the next one is Niti Pass. The next one is Niti Pass. And then we have Lipu Lake. So this Lipu Lake is the tri-junction of India. Lipu Lake, it is the tri-junction of India. And then we have Nepal and also Tibet. So Lipu Lake is at the tri-junction of Tibet. And with this pass, we can go to Mount Manasarovar also. So, okay, it is also the pass to reach Kailash, Mount Kailash and Manasarovar. So this Lipu Lake, it is on the tri-junction of India, Nepal, Tibet, and it is also pass to reach Kailash, Manasarovar. So this is the importance of Lipu Lake. And then we have Trail Pass and Mulingla and also Mangsha Dura. So it is also related to this is Kailash Yatra. So it becomes, this Mangsha Dura becomes prominent during Kailash Yatra. These are the passes, and the important one is Lipu Lake because it is at the tri-junction of India, Nepal and Tibet. The next state is Sikkim. In Sikkim, we have two main passes, and those are, the first one is Jalapla. This is, with this pass we can go to Bhutan. So it is way to Bhutan, and also it connects Lhasa to India. It connects Lhasa to India. Lhasa is in Tibetan region. So this Jalapla connects Lhasa to India. Lhasa is known, it is prominent for Buddhism, aspects related to Buddhism. So this Jalapla connects Lhasa to India. And then we have Nathula. Nathula, it is on Indo-China border. What is the another pass we have studied that is on Indo-China border? That is, which one? Shipkila. Shipkila of Himachal Pradesh is on Indo-China border, and here in Sikkim we have Nathula, which is also on Indo-China border. IC, Indo-China border. These are the two main mountain passes of Sikkim's state. The next state is Arunachal Pradesh. In Arunachal Pradesh, we have so many number of mountain passes that need to be covered. The first one is Bomdila. And then we have Diffu Pass. This Diffu Pass is also important because it is at the tri-junction, it is on McMahon line, and also at the tri-junction of India, China and Myanmar. India, China and Myanmar. It is on McMahon line. If you know what is the McMahon line, it is the boundary between India and China on the eastern side, whereas on the western side it is called LAC, line of actual control. So this is on the McMahon line, and it is at the tri-junction of ICM, that is India, China and Myanmar. This is the importance of Diffu Pass. And then we have Bomdila. Bomdila is, it connects Arunachal Pradesh with Lhasa. So which one? The other pass, that is Jalapla. It connects Lhasa to India, and also Bomdila, it connects Lhasa to Arunachal Pradesh. And then we have Dihangla. The next one is Pongsola Sela Pass. So this Sela Pass, recently, a year ago, there was construction of Sela Tunnel. If you know, it connects the hintered areas in Arunachal Pradesh. So till now, there was no connectivity between certain regions in Arunachal Pradesh. With this Sela Tunnel, there is all-round connectivity in the northeastern region between Arunachal Pradesh and rest of the India. And then we have Bamla. The next one is Bamla and Yanggyo Pass. So it is also on the Indo-China border. This Yanggyo, it is on Indo-China. Don't get confused with in China and Tibet, because they are used alternatively, because Tibet is considered China occupied Tibet. This is the consideration. So that's why Tibet and China are used simultaneously for the topics. So these are the mountain passes in Arunachal Pradesh. Now let's move to Western Ghats and other mountain passes. Till now we have completed the mountain passes located in Himalayan region. And now we'll move to the rest of the mountain passes in India. In that, the first one is Rajasthan. Rajasthan, we have Haldi Ghati. So there was a battle called Haldi Ghati also. It was fought in this area, that is Haldi Ghati. So Haldi Ghati is in Rajasthan. And then we have in Madhya Pradesh, we have Asighar Pass. So this Asighar Pass is known as gateway to Deccan. So through this pass only, the invaders have arrived to southern part of India and established the rule, like either like Mughals and rest of the people. So in Madhya Pradesh, we have Asighar Pass. And in Maharashtra, we have Talghat and Bhor Ghat. Talghat and Bhor Ghat. Talghat, it connects Nasik to Mumbai. So through Talghat, we can go from Nasik to Mumbai. And with Bhor Ghat, this Bhor Ghat connects Mumbai and Pune. Bhor Ghat, Mumbai and Pune, whereas Talghat, Nasik and Mumbai. And also we have another one called, in Rajasthan, we have another one, that is Goram Ghat. Goram Ghat. So in Rajasthan, we have two, that is Haldi Ghat and Goram Ghat. In Madhya Pradesh, Asighar Pass, which is also known as doorway to Deccan. And in Maharashtra, we have Talghat, which connects Nasik to Mumbai, and Bhor Ghat, which connects Mumbai to Pune. The last one is Kerala. In Kerala, we have the first one is Palghat, which is also known as Palakkad Gap. So this connects Nilgiri and Annamalai Hills, and also Kochi to Chennai. So in Kerala, we have Kochi, and in Tamil Nadu, we have Chennai. It connects both Kochi and Chennai. So this is the Palghat. And then the last one is Senkota Pass. So this Senkota Pass, it connects Thiruvananthapuram and Madurai. So in Madurai is in Tamil Nadu and Thiruvananthapuram is in Kerala. This Senkota Pass connects Thiruvananthapuram and Madurai. Therefore, these are the passes that are important apart from that of Himalayan region. And there have been questions already asked regarding them. Now let's do one practice question from, I've taken it from FCAT PYQ. So let's do it once. So here the question, find the incorrect one. The first one is Jalapla, Sikkim. So the mountain pass is given and the state it is located in. The first one is Jalapla, which is Sikkim. In Sikkim, we have learned two passes, that is the first one Jalapla and the second one is Nathula. So option 1 is correct. And then we have Palghat. Palghat, Palakkad Gap, which is also known as Palakkad Gap. It connects Kochi to Chennai. So this is also correct. Rohtang Pass. So if you remember Rohtang Pass, we have studied it in Himachal Pradesh. And what does it links? It links Lahaul, Spiti and Kullu valleys. So this one is wrong. It is not in Ladakh. It is in Himachal Pradesh. Now let's see the other option also, Sela Pass. So we have studied about Sela Tunnel also. This Sela Pass is in Arunachal Pradesh. This is also correct. What is the incorrect option? It is 3. So the answer will be 3. So this is how the questions are being asked in FCAT. Mostly remembering mountain passes and where they are located is important regarding FCAT. Like if you go through one state, how many passes are there? So that is most important. And in supplementary side, you can read what it connects. Like if Zozila is given, it connects both Srinagar and Leh. If Palghat is given, it connects Kochi and Chennai. If Senkota pass is given, it connects Thiruvananthapuram and Madurai. It comes so this topics come later, but remembering where the passes are located in each state is important in learning mountain passes of India for FCAT examination. So I hope the video is beneficial for you. If you feel so, please like and share the video. In the next class, I'll come up with a new topic. Until then, thank you and Jai Hind.